Hello everyone. So buying a MacBook Pro with the M1 chip is a huge deal breaker for some as it only extends up to one screen. So I looked up online and came up with this nice setup over here. First of all, QGM 12 in 1, nicely built, and it's USB-C, so directly goes into our MacBook. It has good inputs. These HDMI's, card reader, USB-C input with charging, VGA input, LAN wire input, and these USB 3s, 2s, and another USB-C. But there's a bonus here. Why specifically I got this docking hub over here? I have another Windows laptop, so without any other devices or equipments, this QGM 12 in 1 can extend Windows laptop into three other monitors with two HDMI and a VGA. So we have another docking station over here, which is our MVP for the setup. Main thing, this DisplayLink. So it has its own capabilities like these USBs, LAN input, HDMI, DVI, and these few more things. Who uses this DVI port? So I got this connector. It converts DVI into this VGA, and this is how it's connected to our other docking station. This uplink wire goes into the USB 3 connection of our other docking hub. Instead of this dock hub, you can find something cheaper like this USB 3 to HDMI, but it's not working for me. Or instead of this QGM dock, you can use something else like this USB-C to an HDMI, but it wasn't working for me as well. So, and you don't need this thing as well. So these are the final things I'll need to set it up. So I've made all my connections. So USB-C hub connected to MacBook directly, and this USB 3 hub is connected to the USB-C hub. So this is our first screen, second screen, and third screen over here. So this will be the VGA. So before we connect our USB-C hub to the MacBook, we need to download DisplayLink for Mac. Okay, so this will be the first link. You just go down there and check for the latest software available on DisplayLink. This is for Big Sur, so works for me. So once installed, it will show on the top once you open it, and right now there's no screen connected, but make sure before any other connections after installation you go to system preferences, and on this screen recording you give access to the DisplayLink manager. You might have to unlock this button over here. Connect the dock and you see the monitors are detected. Yay. So let's go to the settings and see how our arrangement is looking for the screens. I have to go back over here. Yeah, so I go into arrangements. I have these screens. You can move and drag like windows. So this tiny bar over here is used to set up the main screen. I'm using the middle one over here. So this is how my setup looks, and all the three screens are connected and working perfectly for me. 1, 2, and 3. And my MacBook is currently in the desk, and you can use this amazing app called Amphetamine. It lets you use your extended screens and close the MacBook lid without it being connected to power. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and this is my first ever video, so I apologize if the instructions were not as expected, or if the sequence was not correct, or the speed was here and there. I'll try to improvise going forward. Thank you so much.